Philips Steam Generator 2000 series. I have made a video in the past, you can check it down below in the description. Today I will show you how you can use the Anti-Calc system. First of all, we need to turn it on. And we need this plastic, it is a smart calc clean container. Included at the box. We need to wait until it will be solid white. It is solid white. Press for 2 seconds the calc clean. We can hear the sound, it's flashing orange. And we need to wait about 2 minutes. Automatically is starting to pump water from the container. You need to have water here. And it's finished. Orange LED is off, we can hear the sound, and now you have a clean steam iron. And again, you can use it normally. And here we can see all the water. Of course, right now was a little bit clean, my steam iron, so we don't see anything inside, only water. But that's how you can start the process of the calc clean. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your equipment clean and treat it the way it deserves, so it will last longer without needing service. And I will see you again in the next video.